Hey lads, TechScanning here. So, the highly anticipated Oppo Find N5 is coming on the 20th of February. And recently, we have received its series of renders showcasing almost the complete design of the handset. However, the details about one thing missing there, the crease, which is one of the most concerning parts of foldable phones. But now, a set of real-life images of the Oppo Find N5 appeared online, and as we can see, it has almost no visible crease on its foldable display. Now, if you are thinking it is because of certain angle shots, no, it may not be the case. There are multiple images and even shots of device inside its retail box where we can see a smooth display. Now, for example, even Samsung, which is the pioneer and last year launched the 6th generation of their Galaxy Z series folding phones, but still they are struggling with the crease, though they bring improvements over the years. So this is really an impressive job done by Oppo. Besides, a quick unboxing video of the Find N5 also appeared online. As we know, one of the unique selling points of the Oppo Find N5 will be its thickness. And in comparison to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, we can see it looks incredibly thin. Besides thickness and a display with almost no crease, the Find N5 will bring considerable improvements over the Galaxy Z Fold 6, such as 80W wired and 50W wireless charging speed and a huge 5600 mAh of battery. Anyway, it wouldn't be wrong to say the Find N5 is one of the phones that we are really excited about. And that's it for now. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.